Namaste everyone. Today we are going to discuss division of a line segment into equal parts. And our first question is draw a line segment AB equals to 5 centimeter and divide it into 6 equal parts. So how we have to divide this AB into 6 parts? If you are thinking that you have to divide this 5 by 6 and then you have to do the parts equal to the answer, then let me tell you something. 5 upon 6 will be equals to 0.866 and so on. Means it does not have an exact value. So we cannot use this method. For that, now we are going to use a different kind of method, that is, with the help of parallel line, we are going to divide this line segment AB into 6 equal parts. So first of all, draw a line segment AB equals to 5 centimeters. So I'm not taking exact measurement because my board is little larger. So what you have to do, you have to draw AB equals to 5 centimeters. Then the first step is on A and B you have to draw acute angles. The angles must be equal. So here I am taking the specific angle of 60 degree so that it will be easier to remember. So what you have to do, first step is draw an angle of 60 degree on A. So keep your compass same, keep on the initial point and mark a cut. This cut will be equals to 60 degree. Now join the point of intersection with the vertex and this will be your angle of 60 degree, but draw it in a dotted way. So the same angle you have to draw below point B. But remember, one is upwards, another you have to draw downwards. So open your compass a little, take center as B and draw an arc. Keep it same, place on the initial point and mark a cut. Then join the point of intersection with the vertex B now and your angle B will be equals to 60 degree. This also you have to draw in dotted way. Now next step is open your compass a little and mark 6 parts, 6 equal parts on the arm of angle A and the arm of angle B, because we have to divide it into 6 parts. So mark 6 points on the arm of angle A. So this is the first. Then from first we have to mark second. These 6 points you have to mark at equal distance. Let us name them A1, then A2, then A3, then A4 and then A5 and the last one is A6. Same you have to follow on the arm of angle B, but remember the compass must be same. So this is the first point, then second, let us name them B1, then B2, then B3, then B4, then B5, and then B6. Now you have to join them in a order. How? Let us see. First of all, join A6 to B. Then A5 to B1. Then A4 to B2. Then A3 to B3. Then A2 to B4. Then A1 to B5. And automatically your last vertex will be joined with B6. So you can see all these are the parallel lines, and your line segment AB is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 equal parts. This is your required construction. Now let us see one more question, and the question is, draw a line segment of length 5.5 centimeter and divide it internally in the ratio 2:3. Now we have to follow the same procedure. First step was draw a line segment of length 5.5 centimeters. Then let us draw it. Here the line segment AB is of length 5.5 centimeter. Now follow the same procedure. First of all, draw the angle of 60 degree upwards A. This is your angle of 60 degree. Now same you have to draw downwards B. So you can draw the angle of any measure, but it is easy to remember 60 degree. That is the reason I am drawing the angle of 60 degree here. So now first of all, how many parts you need to divide it into 2:3? So total parts will be the sum of both parts of the ratio, which is equals to 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5. Means now you have to mark 5 points on the arm of angle A, 5 equal parts. Let me mark them. This one is your first point. Let us name it A1, then second point is A2, then third point is A3, then fourth point is A4, and fifth point is A5. And in same way, you have to mark 5 points on the arm of angle B. So 1, 2. Now let us mark them. This one is B1, then B2, then B3, then B4, then B5. Remember, length of each unit must be same on the both arms. Then, first of all, join A5 with B and B5 with A. First of all, join A5 with B and A with B5. Remember, the resulting figure will be a parallelogram. Now, you have to divide in 2:3. So, two parts from arm of angle A and 3 parts from arm of angle B. Simply, if I will say, we have to join A2 with B3. This is the second point on the arm of angle A. Then this is the third point on the arm of angle B. Join them with each other and you can see that the line is intersecting AB at P, and now AP ratio PB will be equals to 2:3. You can check by measuring with the help of scale. This will be same. Now the same question can be asked in the different way. This is the third type of question, that is, if draw a line segment AB equals to 5.5 centimeter and mark a point P on it such that AP is equals to 2/3 PB. You can see such questions on your book. Now see, what is given in the question? AP is equals to 2/3 PB. Now what you have to do? Bring this PB to the left side. It will come and divide, means AP upon PB will be equal to 2/3 and AP ratio PB will be equals to 2:3, and you got the same result. Means for this type of construction, again you have to follow the same procedure. Thank you and keep smiling.